All right, guys, welcome back to a quick video. I got my other device in, my replacement device, well, the new one that I ordered, and I went with the Silverblue titanium, and I'm glad I did. It's actually a really solid color. It looks purple and blue all at these different angles. And I got this phone. It is late in the evening at this point. I was going to do a late night workout, and I said, I'm just going to go to bed. I've been watching TV and stuff and relaxing, but I've been using this all day. So this is kind of a 18-hour follow up on it, because I got rid of my other one because of the signal, and this one has been fine, no problem whatsoever. See all these different lighting angles this thing looks. It's kind of weird. It's strange. Yeah, you have to see this in person. I don't know if I'd have to use my mirrorless camera probably to pick up this color if it's not coming across good enough on camera, but this thing is actually pretty nice, and I really like it. So I went with the Silverblue titanium, if that's what it's called. It's actually pretty cool. No issues whatsoever. Like I said, I've been using it all day, and I just haven't had any issues with it so far. Now, I think what I'm going to accept here is that the signal on this one is just not as good as my other phones. Most of the other phones, as you can see here, I'm on Verizon ultra wideband, and so speeds are good, streaming is good. It's just a signal bar there. Still shows a couple of less bars, but the difference between this one and the jet black one that I was using, everything just seemed slower when it came to internet, and it just didn't seem right. I couldn't stream in 1080p from the ultra wideband network. It just was different. This one, I've been streaming, I've been doing everything, and it's been good. So I'm going to push forward with this one. I'm not going to do an exchange again, or I'm not going to do a return again. I'm done. It was quick, actually, though. The process for me with the first one, sending back the jet black one, they got it back within 24 hours because it's close to where I'm at. They got it back in overnight. So within 24 hours, they had it back, and I got the email confirmation the next morning, and they gave me a refund already. So, and then this one came this morning. So it's been pretty nice. I really like it. I'm thinking about wearing a clear case with this. I'm still not sure because I like ultra thin cases. But the Binks case is nice. All these different cases are really nice. I'm just kind of deciding on which case I want to use. So far, I've been using the Rinky camo, the Onyx camo, a Fusion X camo, and it's pretty cool, but it really doesn't matter because I won't keep the case on very long. But I wanted to show you that I had the device in, and then give you some kind of follow-up on how it's been, which is why I didn't do like this unboxing as soon as I got it this morning. I just decided to transfer all my stuff. I shot a couple of videos. I've been shooting some tempered glass and screen protector videos, so you'll see those come out after this video. But I opened the box up and put the first screen protector on here, and I've already switched to another screen protector. I'm kind of demoing all of the screen protectors from Whitestone Dome, so you'll see those videos come out. I don't have any more case videos that I'm going to be doing right now, so I wanted to give you those Whitestone Dome videos. They sent me 4 different screen protectors, and I'm just going to release them one after another and check them out individually on the phone, see how I like it. I started off with the privacy, and now I got this one on to recording this video, this is the UV Gen film. You've seen that before. I've done that before. But overall, the signal strength on this one is better, and the overall signal for the internet, my speeds, everything is just different this time. So maybe I did get a dud. Who knows? I don't know. But the truth of the matter is, I'm happy that I finally got the other device, and I got it pretty quick. It was saying February 7th. But I got it on the 5th. Today's February 5th as I'm recording this video, and I got it this morning. So it should have been here on the 4th, actually, but they closed this facility. They shipped it overnight to me. So I bought it on the 3rd, and it came on the 4th, but they held it on, I think I bought it on the 3rd, and they held it on the 4th all day, and I guess the facility was closed, and then it came today on the 5th. So they overnighted the phone to me. I overnighted their other return back to them for the jet black, got my money back already, and I'm on to a device that's working. So far, I've had no issues with the phone. I just had to switch colors only because the color I wanted was back ordered to the end of February, and I didn't want to have such a large break in my review period when I had already started it. So same process, hey, I'm rolling on with it, and it should be pretty nice. I'm pretty excited to get it back in. I've been enjoying all my other devices, but I really want to give this device a shot. And, you know, it's been pretty cool. I use it with no case. So, you know, that's why you see it like this. So I'm going to just continue to give you the screen protector videos and until I can get, you know, something else I want to put together for you. I'll be doing a probably 72 hours a video more than likely on this. Because the last video I did on the other one, the 24-hour one, it, you know, didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be, like, because I had to send it back or whatever. But I'm ready to rock and roll once again. So here it is, Silverblue titanium, and we're gonna keep this train pushing here. So this is a beautiful color. I just wanted to do a quick video, let you know, hey, I did what I had to do. I already got my money back for that other joint, so I'm ready to keep it pushing. So it's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video. And I still prefer the jet black titanium as the #1 selection for me, but this was my #2, and you know, I'm happy with it. So I'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy and take care.